Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look at taking your iReady diagnostic, which is what that red strip of paper is for on top of your packet. So, looking at your iReady diagnostic, that just means test. You're going to take a test and to see what level you are at in both reading and math. So, first of all, the iReady diagnostic is an adaptive test, and it's going to adjust the questions to meet your needs. So each question you see is individualized based on your answer from the previous question. The purpose of this test is not to give you a score or a grade, but is to show your teachers how we can support you. It's to tell us what level you are at so that we can give you the right materials to help get you where you need to be for 5th grade and then middle school. So you have to make sure you do your absolute best, take your time. And when we say adaptive and the questions change, that means that they're going to change based on your answers. Some questions are going to be hard, some will be easy, and others will be just right. So as you get more questions correct, they're actually going to get harder. You do not want to get frustrated and give up. If you don't know an answer and you've tried working it out, it's okay to get it wrong. We want your best effort and your real level. We don't want you rushing through and getting them all wrong and it's saying you're at a kindergarten or 1st grade level. Give your best effort so we know where you really are, so we can help you. So when you're finished, you'll see this diagnostic complete check, and we'll need to see that for both reading and math. We'll look at that again in a minute. So when you're logging in from the iPad, there's actually the iReady app already on there, and you're going to click it and then use that red sheet of paper that has your username and password. Your password is NHCS, and then from a computer, you're going to the iReadyConnect.com and you will type in your login information. To get ready for the test or prepare, you need to select the right time. This test takes a long time, so just for the reading, it's going to take well over an hour if you try your best. So that's why we gave you Monday and Tuesday for reading, Wednesday, Thursday for math, and then Friday finishing each. You want to spend about 15-20 minutes a day on it, no more than 30 minutes at a time, so that you don't get zoned out when you're taking the test. You want to do your best. You want to choose the right place, somewhere that is private and it's quiet, away from distractions. You should have headphones so that you can stay focused. And you want to have supplies. You need to have paper, pencil ready. You should be working out math problems. You should be taking notes for reading. And again, this is so you can get your best level. You don't want to go on the internet and look up answers because then that won't be what you really know. So this is what it looks like from your screen. When you log in, it'll pop up and ask you to start the diagnostic. You'll click start, and then it'll ask you if you're working in the school building today. Do not click yes. You need to click no. You are working at home. You are not working in the school building. So again, when this screen pops up after you click start, hit the no box and make sure it's checked. That's the one below. No. Good. And then you'll click the green arrow to move on and begin. So after you click begin, after choosing no, you're going to first choose reading and work on your reading for the first 2 days, and then you'll come back and work on math. Now the cool thing is when you are taking this test and you stop taking it for the day, it's not going to restart you and have you do questions again. You'll pick up where you left off. When you do finish, you will see this check mark that says diagnostic complete, And that's when you know that it's been submitted to your teacher, and we will see your level. So make sure you get a diagnostic complete check for both reading and math.